Hello everyone and welcome back to Walks to Unwind, Dallas Road Waterfront Walk series. We're almost at the end, picking up exactly where we left off in the last video, and hopefully you can. It's difficult for me to see because it's so bright out today. Um, Hopefully you can see in the background where we're headed. Once again, we have instead of a helicopter this time, we have a seaplane, float plane going over. Oh, and there goes another one. Hopefully you can see that one in the background. It's pretty far away though. It looks like it's going into land in the harbor right now. That's something to see. We're going to try to capture that one day. But this is going to be a tricky part because you can see behind me there's a lot of logs and there's a kind of a rocky cliff. So I have a choice of going up to the bank behind me or trying to make it over the logs. Let's see what happens. Let's go walk in one and unwind. Okay, here we go. Let's try going this direction, see if we can go under this log along the rocks. Much more interesting scenery, I think. We'll see. Okay. I hope everyone's having a good day today. Some of the videos I've maybe been talking too much, so I'm going to try to talk a little less in this and let the sound of the waves hitting the rocks be the soundtrack. And I guess apparently also some of the seaplanes, because there's another one taking off. Busy today. Lots of seaplanes today. Sorry about the noise. Might put some music over top of that. Which way should we go? Look at how clear this water is today. Love the way the water dances. The light dances off of the top of the water when it's just barely moving. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. My goodness, how time flies when you're relaxing. We're almost up to the 7-minute mark. Here's something interesting I'll share with you. This entire tiny little bay here. I'll pan down. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. Those are all little, super tiny pieces of shells and barnacles. Just a sea of white. Quite something. Entire little tiny bay here. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Let me zoom out a little bit here. There we go. As you can see, just a tiny little area here. Oh my goodness, it's 7:40 already. Well, once again, I want to thank you all for joining me today. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, come visit Victoria, continue relaxing, and take care of yourselves. Bye.